Here's how I made this massive chain link pillow, part 1. Here's the sewing pattern I used with the measurements. Screenshot this so you can recreate it later. Trace the pattern with the heat-soluble pen onto your fabric. You'll need 2 pieces from each fabric, totaling an 8. For this tutorial, I'll be making 4 links total. Once you've traced your pattern, you'll cut it out. Now place the 2 pieces of fabric right sides together, line them up carefully, and clip around the inner oval. Sew all the way around that inner edge, only sewing the inside of the chain link. Once that's sewn, turn it right side out and press it really well with your iron. Now we're going to roll one side of the fabric inward, keeping both layers rolled evenly until you reach the center. Clip it on both sides to hold it in place. Next, bring the remaining sides together around that rolled section. It'll look like a little fabric taco. That's exactly what you want. And then you're going to clip around that outer edge, then head back to your sewing machine using the same seam allowance as before. Start sewing around the curve. Once you reach the rolled up section, you'll gradually pull the roll out as you sew. Pull a little, line up the edges, then sew. Pull a little more, and then line up the edges, sew. Just repeat that until you reach the end, but leave an opening about the size of your hand so you'll be able to stuff it later with the polyfill. Then turn the whole piece right side out and give it a good press again. We're going to be doing the exact same process with the second chain link, which is the cheetah print, and then the zebra and green fur fabric will be in part 2. Those will have a different method when sewing it all together.